This is my amazing iPhone 12 Pro. Let's open inside. So this is how the box looks like. This, okay. Look. Okay, it's very easy to peel. Let's open like this. Oh, okay. And then let's open up. Surprise, surprise. Wow, this is so amazing.
What's the color?
The color is gold. So there are different colors, gray, black, and I think there is also blue, but I like yellow. Oh no, not yellow, it's gold. So this is what you can see in the box. This one, look. So the charger looks different. Where's the charger? This one, the connector.
It doesn't come with the mains.
So it doesn't come with the mains.
That's it.
So that's it. There's no mains.
Manual.
And this is the pin, so you can open and put your SIM card inside there. This one, look, it is so beautiful.
Can you see your face?
And I think, and let's open it. Open, open, open.
Sesame.
And I think the size of this one is like iPhone 7, or I think it is bigger than iPhone 7, but it is smaller. It is smaller than XR. A little bit smaller.
Is XR?
No, it's a little bit smaller.
Okay.
So iPhone 12 is a little bit smaller, but I think iPhone 12 Pro Max is bigger. But what I like here is the camera, because there are 3 cameras on it built. This is what I like for my videos and taking photos for our YouTube channel. I hope you like my video unboxing of iPhone 12. That's it for now. Bye bye. Does not come with adapter, but you can use your old charger with your other iPhones.